And viewers, like we've been telling you, the first story we are tracking here is about what's going on in the INDI camp, because its leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, who has now launched a blistering attack on BSP chief Mayawati. Rahul Gandhi goes on to allege that it's Mayawati who has in fact compromised the opposition's fight against the BJP. He's also questioned the compulsions behind her decision to not join the INDI alliance. The BSP Supremo has also strongly countered the charges made by Rahul Gandhi, accusing the Congress party of having a casteist mindset. Now, the Gandhi side, while visiting his parliamentary constituency of Raebareli, questioned Mayawati over her political strategy. While interacting with a group of Dalit students, Rahul Gandhi asked why doesn't Mayawati contest polls properly, and also went on to say that the Congress had invited Mayawati to join the INDIA bloc for the 2024 Lok Sabha polls, and then added that she declined their invite. Now, the Congress MP also suggested that if three parties had united, then the Bharatiya Janata Party would have lost the elections.
बहन जी आजकल चुनाव ठीक से क्यों नहीं लड़ रहे? ये भी सच है जी सर। अब हम चाहते थे कि बहन जी बीजेपी के विरोध में हमारे साथ लड़े। जी सर, ये बात सही। मगर मायावती जी किसी न किसी कारण नहीं लड़ी। तो ये भी मतलब हमें तो काफी दुख लगा, क्योंकि अगर तीनों पार्टियां एक साथ हो जाती हैं तो बीजेपी कभी नहीं जीत सकती।
And Mayawati, like we told you, has also hit out. What has she said? This is what she said on social media platform X. I'm going to read out a translation of her tweet. She says, in states where the Congress is strong or where it has governments, there is animosity and a casteist attitude towards the BSP and its followers. But in a state like Uttar Pradesh, where the Congress is weak, there is a deceptive talk to get into an alliance with the BSP. If this is not double standards of the Congress party, then what is? Here Mayawati is clearly stating and calling out what she's calling double standards on the part of the Congress party, after Rahul Gandhi has gone ahead and accused the BSP of in fact helping the BJP more than helping the opposition bloc. Now, she's also said, she's made a few other points. What else has Mayawati said? She goes on to add that, however, when the BSP has contested elections in Uttar Pradesh and in states in an alliance with casteist parties like the Congress, she goes on to repeatedly call the Congress party as a party which has a casteist mindset, then says that our base vote has been transferred to them, but those parties have not been able to transfer their base vote to the BSP. In such a situation, the BSP has always had to face losses. Now, what does this reflect? If you remember, viewers, there is a constant attack that the Prime Minister hurls when it comes to the Congress party. He calls them a Parjeevi party, one that takes the allies down. And now, in the midst of this war of words, there's more breaking news coming in. Mayawati has sharpened her attack on the Congress party. She has also cited the Delhi defeat to mock the Congress party. Now, Mayawati in another tweet, like I've been telling you, we've just read out this tweet where she goes on to say, in elections where the BSP has contested, there are times where Mayawati goes on to say that their base vote has been affected. And now in the fresh attack, what does she says? Atha is party ke sarve sarva, Shri Rahul Gandhi, here she's taken his name directly. अतः इस पार्टी के सर्वे सर्वा राहुल गांधी को किसी भी मामले में दूसरों पर व खासकर बीएसपी के प्रमुख पर उंगली उठाने से पहले अपने गिरेबान में भी जरूर झांक कर देखना चाहिए, तो ये बेहतर होगा। इनको यही सलाह है. So here Mayawati, while naming Rahul Gandhi and while responding to him quite directly, has gone on to say that please look within. Whenever we have contested in an alliance, especially in states where the Congress party is weak, our base vote has been affected. Everything that Mayawati today says, Adib, is a reflection of the larger message that the Prime Minister then had put out, where he had directly called the Congress party a Parjeevi party, a party which takes down its alliance partners. And this is not just Mayawati. Here we are talking about the state of Uttar Pradesh. There are other parties of the INDI bloc at the national level too who have train guns at the Congress party as well. But take us through the latest responses that are now coming in.
Well, definitely, Sagarika, see, when Rahul Gandhi made the comment in Rai Bareli, he said that Mayawati is not contesting his elections strongly, and if we would have come together, we would have defeated BJP. This is what Rahul Gandhi has to say in Rai Bareli, and Mayawati was very quick to respond. Within minutes of the video, when Rahul Gandhi's video went viral, Mayawati took it to her social media account where she says that Congress party is the one. The Congress party is filled with casteism, and wherever the Congress party is in power, wherever they are in government, they are going to suppress the other parties. But when they are weak, especially in the state like Uttar Pradesh, they are going to talk about the alliances. And when it comes to BSP, the Mayawati has already made it clear that BSP will not be coming into any kind of alliance with anyone in the future. So this is how the Mayawati has been attacking Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Rahul Gandhi should not do this, and Rahul Gandhi has been working, the Congress party has been working as the B team of BJP. In fact, this morning again she has posted it on her social media account where she says that the Congress party worked in Delhi Post as the B party of the BJP, helping BJP. So these are the allegations that are now being leveled by Mayawati on Rahul Gandhi, when Rahul Gandhi says that Mayawati would have come. If she would have come, we would have easily defeated the BJP. We have Samajwadi Party also who says that
and
yes,
as you talk about the
Mayawati...
Samajwadi Party, Adib, let's actually take our viewers through what the Samajwadi Party has said. Viewers, because despite the rebuttal of Mayawati, listen into the kind of reaction that's coming in from the Samajwadi Party. It is leaders of the Samajwadi Party who are going on to say that INDIA needs parties following the Samajwadi ideology. That is SP spokesperson Manoj Yadav. Then he goes on to train guns, and Mayawati says Mayawati not contesting polls. She has also abandoned her own voters. If the BSP had joined the alliance, BJP would have been wiped out. Another spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Amit Jamai, there taking on Mayawati. Mayawati is in a tough spot, and she also has compulsions. These are compulsions that even Rahul Gandhi has been talking about. So for now, you have Akhilesh's party, who seems to be siding with the Congress party, seems to be echoing what Rahul Gandhi has said. Let's play out those reactions.
तौर पर राहुल गांधी जी ने जो कहा है वो बात तो बिल्कुल ठीक है कि इंडिया गठबंधन में तमाम सारे राजनीतिक दल होने चाहिए। तो होने तो नीतीश जी भी चाहिए, होने तो जयंत चौधरी भी चाहिए, होने तो चिराग पासवान भी चाहिए थे। ये बात बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण है कि इंडिया गठबंधन में उन सारे लोगों की आवश्यकता है जो समाजवादी विचारधारा और संवैधानिक विचारधारा से चलते हैं। बहन जी पे सिर्फ एक ही बात सही है कि बहन जी आखिर चुनाव मजबूती से क्यों नहीं लड़ रही। मुझे लगता है कि शायद उनकी बड़ी मजबूरियां हैं जिसकी वजह से वो चुनाव नहीं लड़ रही और अपने उस वोटर को थलग छोड़ दे रही हैं जिन्होंने या जिनके दम पर उन्होंने इतना बड़ा राजनीतिक दल बनाया।
देखिए, आदरणीय मायावती जी ने बहुत साफ कहा है कि वो भविष्य में कोई भी समझौता किसी भी राजनीतिक दल से नहीं करेंगे। लेकिन 2022 में आदरणीय मायावती जी ने समाजवादी पार्टी को हराने का काम किया। 2024 में 16 सीटें सिर्फ जो है बहुजन समाज की वजह से इंडिया ब्लॉक हारा है। आप सोचिए कि 16 प्लस उत्तर प्रदेश में सीटें होती, भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो प्रदेश में खत्म थी। लेकिन आदरणीय बहन जी, हम जानते हैं कि कुछ तो मजबूरियां होंगी, लेकिन आदरणीय बहन जी का जो जवाब है उसी में सब कुछ छिपा हुआ है कि उनकी मजबूरियां क्या हैं। देश के हर मामले पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ संसद में हमने उनको खड़े होते हुए देखा है।
We have Congress leader Udit Raj joining us on the phone line. Mr. Udit Raj, I'm sure you've heard what Mayawati has said and the way she's responded to what Rahul Gandhi has said in the last few days. Even your comments haven't been taken well by Mayawati and her party. But let's talk about the kind of, point made by Mayawati. Mayawati goes on to say that in states like Uttar Pradesh, where the Congress party is weak, if the BSP goes ahead and allies with a party like the Congress party in Uttar Pradesh, its base vote gets hampered. And that is why the Congress party, which has now become weak, should not lecture its allies. How do you respond?
When she is not delivering anything to its her workers, not doing anything, and that is why she is insecure. She goes with the Congress. It's likely that her supporter will shift towards Congress. So what happened that BSP is built on the vote bank of Congress. What they promised to deliver so many things: empowerment, dignity, and share in governance of the country, which they have failed. What happened? That let there be healthy competition. One, and second thing that Rahulji also is saying that let us jointly fight against communal forces, anti-Dalit forces, dictatorial forces, that is the BJP, which is finishing reservation constitution,
Right.
and everything.
Yes.
So what's wrong in it?
But Mr. Udit Raj, one, we'll talk about what, when it comes to the Congress party and its allies of the INDIA bloc, the stand that other allies have also taken. We'll give you the Delhi example, but before that, I want a comment from you. Mayawati has specifically called out the Congress party for harboring a casteist mindset towards BSP and supporters of the BSP. Does the Congress party have a casteist attitude, as alleged by Mayawati, against the followers of BSP?
She's a liar, and she doesn't understand who gave the slogan of Tilak, Taraju or Talwar, Inko Maro Juto Cha. On this axiom, BSP built its whole foundation. Who's a casteist? But what happened? Exhorting SC, ST, OBC is not a bad thing, but what happened? Doing a negative politics, that pitching SC, ST, OBC against upper caste is not the only motive. Or should not be only
Yes.
motive.
I understand, Mr. Udit Raj, the way the Congress party is countering the BSP, but there are other allies of the INDI bloc too who have similar complaints against the Congress party. One, where they go on to accuse the Congress party of eating into their vote base, as also seen in the recently concluded Delhi elections when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party. Thank you, Mr. Udit Raj, for joining us.